Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming two essentials. Your recovery email and phone are current, and you're using a familiar device. Sign into Gmail, and when prompted with Verify It's You, choose the available verification method, text, call, or recovery email. Once done, make sure cookies are enabled and your browser is updated. These let Google recognize your session. If you don't see an option, select Try Another Way, because alternative prompts reveal secondary verification choices. Now proceed through the middle steps. If prompted for two-step verification, open Google Authenticator or enter a backup code you previously saved. If you don't have those, use Try Another Way for a verification prompt to a registered device or recovery email. Explain why. Google needs signals, devices, codes, recent activity to confirm identity. Once you provide one of those signals, carefully read any security prompts and approve sign-in attempts from your trusted device to move forward. Finish by confirming access and tightening security. Update two-step verification settings and add backup methods like a secondary phone or printed codes. If you're blocked, complete Google's account recovery form with exact details, recent passwords, account creation month, sent email subjects to prove ownership. Make sure to wait 24 to 48 hours if Google temporarily blocks sign-in after suspicious activity. This cooling period often resolves automatic holds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.